Hello, you will need pigeon peas, fresh ones. The pigeon peas you put to a pot and boil. As you can see, 45 minutes is enough for you to get ready pigeon peas. Prepare your rice. I use 2 glasses of rice. I soak in water. This should take time as the pigeon peas boils. Chop onions in preparation for the frying. Then in a hot pot, put oil, add onions. As you can see, when it's already started frying, add salt. Prepare tomatoes by chopping. Also prepare parsley. The green one is parsley. Chop according to your preferred size. Then by now your onions should be starting to turn the color to brown, as you can see. Now when they are brown, add tomatoes, chopped tomatoes and parsley, as you can see in the video, and give them time to boil, cook. As you can see, it's already cooked, the tomatoes are already cooked. Put now the boiled pigeon peas and give them some time to simmer. 5 minutes is enough. After around 5 minutes, add 3 glasses of water. Remember our rice is 2 glasses, so because the pigeon peas came with some water, we have to reduce the water we have added. Then drain the rice, as you can see in the picture. And now after the pigeon peas as mixture has boiled, add the drained rice. Using a wooden spoon, stir well so that the pigeon peas and the tomatoes are evenly distributed. Then give them time. Halfway cooking, with a wooden spoon, try to turn the rice so that everything is mixed evenly. After 15 minutes, our rice will be ready. Serve while hot. Our pigeon peas rice is ready. Karibuni sana. You can serve with your favorite dessert. You can serve with kachumbari. As for me, I like it with avocado. So I hope you enjoyed my short video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Also click on the notification button so that you are notified on more recipes and other activities on my channel. May God bless you. Bye.